How secure is your personal data when you're browsing the internet? Have you ever thought about it? In this digital age, online privacy is more important than ever. It's like the hidden gold of the 21st century, holding immense value yet exposed to countless threats. Misuse or theft of personal data can lead to devastating consequences. But fear not. In this video, you will learn how to create a secure personal profile on legal social media platforms on the dark web. Now, you might be wondering, what are legal social media platforms on the dark web? Well, let's dive right in. The dark web is a part of the internet that isn't indexed by traditional search engines and requires specific software to access. It's like an uncharted territory on the internet, where anonymity is cherished. Among the many facets of the dark web, there exist legal social media platforms. These are places where users can interact, share, and discuss various topics, much like any social media platform you're familiar with. The unique difference, anonymity and privacy, are at the core of their operations. Participating in these communities can offer a wealth of benefits. For one, it allows you to connect with like-minded individuals from around the globe without the usual geographic or political barriers. Moreover, these platforms can be a treasure trove of unique insights and perspectives, fostering an environment of free and open dialogue. However, while the dark web can be a haven for privacy, it's not without risks. Choosing the right platform is crucial for your online security. There are several legal social media platforms on the dark web, but which one is right for you? In this vast and varied landscape, the choice can be overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to help you make an informed decision. Let's start by exploring the different platforms available. Some are more general, like Torbook, a Facebook-like platform with a wide range of topics and communities. Others, like Blackbook, are more niche, focusing on specific interests or professions. When choosing a platform, the first factor to consider is security. Make sure the platform uses end-to-end encryption and doesn't store personal data. Some platforms even offer additional security features like two-step verification. Next, consider the user interface. Is it user-friendly? Can you navigate it easily? Remember, the dark web isn't known for its sleek designs, but a good platform should at least be functional. Community is also a crucial factor. What kind of people use the platform? What are the discussions like? Are they respectful and constructive? Remember, the goal is to connect with like-minded individuals, not to get dragged into pointless arguments. Lastly, consider the platform's reputation. Do some research. What are other users saying about it? Has it been involved in any scandals or security breaches? Remember, the right platform for you will depend on your needs and preferences. So take your time, do your homework, and choose wisely. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to set up your secure profile. Creating a secure profile is the first step towards maintaining your online privacy. So let's delve into the process of setting up a secure profile on a legal social media platform on the dark web. First things first, choosing a secure username is crucial. You'd want to avoid using any part of your real name or anything that can be linked back to you in the real world. Consider using a pseudonym or a combination of random words that hold no personal connections to you. Remember, the key is to remain anonymous. Next, let's talk about your avatar. This is the image that will represent you on the platform. Just as with your username, you should avoid using a personal photo or an image that could be traced back to you. Instead, opt for a generic image or a piece of abstract art. Some platforms even offer built-in avatar creators that you can use to design a unique, untraceable image. Now, onto your bio. This is a short description that offers other users a glimpse into who you are. It's important to be mindful of the information you share here. Stay vague and avoid sharing any specifics that could potentially compromise your anonymity. You might share your interests or the type of content you plan to post, but always steer clear of personal details. Finally, password selection. It's your line of defense against unwanted access to your account. so it's crucial to make it strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid common words or phrases and consider using a password manager to generate and store a complex password. And there you have it, a secure profile set up and ready. But remember, creating a secure profile is just the beginning. It's equally important to maintain this level of security and anonymity as you interact on the platform. Now that your profile is set, let's make sure your privacy settings are configured correctly. Because as we'll see in the next segment, properly configured privacy settings are your next line of defense in maintaining a secure presence on the dark web. Your privacy settings are your best defense against unwanted attention and potential data breaches. Remember, you're navigating the dark web's legal social media platforms where privacy is paramount. Configuring your privacy settings is not just an option, it's a necessity. Start by managing your account's visibility. Many platforms offer settings that allow you to control who can view your profile. You might consider setting your account to private, allowing only accepted connections to view your content. It adds a layer of control over who has access to your digital persona. Next, let's talk about blocking unwanted users. This is a simple yet effective measure to prevent specific individuals from gaining access to your information. It might feel harsh, but in the realm of the dark web, it's better to err on the side of caution. Finally, it's time to set up two-factor authentication, often shortened to 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. With 2FA, you'll need to provide two forms of identification to log in: your password and a second factor, often a code sent to your mobile device. This makes it harder for potential intruders to gain access to your account, even if they manage to get your password. Remember, these settings are not one and done. Regularly revisit and update your privacy settings to keep up with the ever-evolving landscape of the dark web. Security is not a destination, it's a journey. With your privacy settings in place, you're ready to engage with the dark web community. Interacting with the dark web community can be enriching, provided you do it securely. Now that we've established a secure profile, let's delve into how to engage with this unique ecosystem. When connecting with like-minded individuals, it's crucial to maintain your anonymity. This means avoiding any personal details that could be used to identify you offline. Use pseudonyms if you have to participate in discussions or share content. Participating in discussions is a huge part of the dark web community. When doing so, make sure to use a secured connection. Also, ensure your comments or posts don't reveal any personal information. Sharing content could be tricky, but it's not impossible. When sharing, always ensure your files are free from metadata that could expose your identity. Use tools to strip away this data before sharing. Collaboration is where the dark web shines. Here, you can work on projects with people from around the globe without revealing your identity. To collaborate securely, use encrypted communication channels and file-sharing platforms. In all these engagements, remember to use your secure profile and maintain your privacy settings. Be cautious of any links or files you receive, as they could be potential security threats. While engaging, remember, protecting your online identity is a continual process. The dark web is a fascinating place, but it requires your constant vigilance to stay secure and anonymous. Maintaining your online privacy is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing commitment. Undoubtedly, keeping your identity secure in the digital realm, particularly on the dark web, is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and awareness. It's not enough to simply set up a secure profile and adjust your privacy settings once. You need to regularly review and update these settings to ensure they continue to provide the level of protection you need. Moreover, be mindful of the information you share on these platforms. Even seemingly harmless details can be pieced together to reveal more about you than you may like. Make it a habit to limit the personal information you disclose. If it's not absolutely necessary, consider leaving it out. Lastly, Be wary of unsolicited messages or suspicious links. They could be traps set by those looking to exploit unsuspecting users. Always verify before you click or respond. Remember, your online security is in your hands. We've covered a lot today, so let's recap. We delved into the dark web's legal social media platforms, their significance, and the benefits they offer. We explored how to choose the right platform for your needs and the steps to create a secure profile. We emphasized the importance of configuring privacy settings and maintaining online identity protection while engaging with the dark web community. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to Dark Web Chronicles and turn on notifications to stay updated on all things dark web. Stay safe and secure online.